Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic comparison operator, right? So today we'll be discussing on the conditional statements. So conditional statements in Python. So let's get into the definition part. Here conditional statements let our program make decisions based on the conditions using if, elif, and else, right? So if, elif, and else. So basically, again, I'm telling, again, I'll just read out this one out. You can just look into this one. Conditional statements let our program make decisions based on conditions using if, elif, and else. If, elif, and else. These three things we have to keep in mind. If, elif, and else, right? So before getting into the example part, let me explain you certain things here, or let me explain you something. So here Python execute blocks based on the Boolean results of the condition expressions. So just keep this in mind, right? So this is completely different from the Java and the JavaScript. Basically, Python execute blocks based on the Boolean results of condition expressions. Boolean results of the condition expressions. I'm not speaking of the this one Boolean this one Boolean results. The syntax part I'm speaking, right? So you'll get to know that one later. So we are not going with the loops, right? So sorry, I got confused with the follow. Basically, this is conditions, right? Sorry. This is fine, man. Conditional statements let our program make decisions based on conditions using if, elif, and else. So here Python executes blocks based on the Boolean results of the condition expressions. Just keep this in mind, right? So let me go with a very simple example here. Let me assign x to 7. Now we are going with the conditional this one, right? Conditional statement. So I'll just go with if x greater than 10. If x greater than 10, then let's print something. Let's print something. I'll just print here. Let me give greater than 10. This is fine. Uh, else, so let me go with the elif here. Else if we'll be going with one more this one. So I'll just go with the else, right? So rather than the else if, we'll be making use of the elif and the Python, right? So here else, this one elif x, if the value is equivalent to the 10, then equivalent to the 10, then let me do one thing. Print, let me print equal to 10, equal to 10, right? So this is fine. The final one, let me make use of the else here. Let me make use of the else here. So this is fine. Let me print, if it is not greater or equal to 10, then it would be quite obviously less than 10. So I'll just give here within the strings less than 10, right? So this is fine. I hope this part is completely clear, man. We have the value 7 x, we have given 7 here, so we have to get the output less than 10, right? So let's check the same thing here. So I'll give Python. So this one, let me copy the conditional statements here, where it is rename. So this one v dot py. So here we are getting the output less than 10. Suppose if I change this one to 10, we have to get the output equal to 10, right? So let me run this one again. Now we are getting equal to 10, right? So suppose if I change it to something greater than 10, right? So this will be 100. So let me run this one again. So we are getting the output greater than 10, right? So this works absolutely correct. This works absolutely correct. So let me, so this is it for the conditional statements. Let me summarize this one, whatever we have learned till now. So if, elif, and else, this basically helps us to run the different blocks based on certain conditions. Again, I'm telling if, elif, and else. This one I'm speaking of if, elif, and else. So this helps us run the different blocks based on certain conditions. Just keep this in mind. So this is it for the conditional statements. Next, we'll be discussing about the ternary operator. Next, we'll be discussing about the ternary operator. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.